Wrestling with a crowded kitchen counter or an outdated, uneven stove oven that burns the bottom of your cookies while leaving the center raw, all while trying to manage confusing electronic submenus, is an absolute nightmare that completely drains the joy out of cooking. Traditional built-in ovens trap you with complicated digital touchpads that fail over time and flat, weak heating elements that turn family dinner preparation into a frustrating guessing game. The 24-inch built-in single-wall oven completely rescues you from mealtime stress and technical confusion, functioning as a high-powered, space-saving culinary workstation engineered to deliver rapid, restaurant-quality results with effortless manual precision. Don't let its sleek, compact 24-inch profile fool you. This built-in powerhouse packs a revolutionary cooking engine driven by true 3D surround convection. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its specialized 2.83 cubic feet ADL large capacity matrix, which provides up to 17% more usable cooking space than traditional compact wall ovens. Backed by a heavy-duty, high-efficiency heating system pumping out up to 220W of rapid preheat power, it utilizes a high-velocity 360-degree hot air circulation fan alongside 3 distinct heating elements. This multi-directional layout cooks your food from every imaginable angle simultaneously, meaning you can roast a massive whole chicken to crispy perfection on the outside while keeping the inside beautifully juicy, all without encountering raw, undercooked cold spots. Engineered to fit into a fast-paced lifestyle while remaining remarkably user-friendly, this oven eliminates all high-tech frustration with its robust ergonomic mechanical knob controls. These straightforward manual dials give you direct, tactile command over your cooking environment, letting you instantly dial in your precise temperature and cycle across 8 versatile cooking functions, including true convection bake, broil, fan grill, turbo mode, and a gentle defrost setting. Optimized for premium home safety, it features a triple-layer removable tempered glass door that blocks heat inside to maximize energy efficiency while keeping the outer handle safe to the touch. Complete with an included rotisserie kit, multiple stainless steel racks, and a premium baking pan, it is the ultimate stress-free luxury upgrade for apartment dwellers, busy parents, and home bakers who demand uncompromised capacity and flawless cooking consistency. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you're mounting this sleek 24-inch convection oven under a countertop or seamlessly into your kitchen cabinet walls. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart kitchen appliances, cooking gear reviews, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.